Chapter 7 Kashaba Jadhav. Have you heard about the Olympic Games? Sportsmen from many different countries of the world come together for the Olympic Games. A number of events are held. There are games, athletic events like high jump, long jump, running, gymnastic events, swimming and diving competitions, boxing and wrestling matches, and many other things. The winners are given gold, silver, and bronze medals. An Olympic medal is an honor. An Olympic winner is considered to be a world champion. Explanation. This paragraph tells us about the Olympic Games. Let us know what are Olympic Games. Olympic Games are just like your inter-school competition. Many competitions are held. Participants from different parts of the school come to the inter-school for different competition to participate in the different competition. Likewise, competitions are even held at Olympic Games. Some examples we already read here. Participants from different parts of the world participate. The winners are awarded with gold medal, silver medal, and bronze medal. Getting an Olympic medal is an honor, or you can say a proud moment, as the participants represent their own country. That is why an Olympic winner is known as or considered to be a world champion. Few Indians have won Olympic medals so far. The first person to win a medal for independent India was a wrestler from Maharashtra. His name was Kashaba Jadhav. Kashaba Jadhav was born in a very poor family in a village called Goleshwar in Satara district. But it was a family that loved sport, especially wrestling. His father, Dada Sahib, was himself a wrestler. He had 5 sons. The youngest of them was Kashaba. Dada Sahib himself taught his sons wrestling. They were all very good at it, but the best among them was Kashaba. Explanation. Indians have also won Olympic medals at Olympics. The person to win medal for independent India was a wrestler from Maharashtra. His name was Kashaba Jadhav. Next paragraph tells us about his family life. Explanation. Kashaba Jadhav was born in a poor family at Goleshwar in Satara district of Maharashtra. The family loved sports, especially wrestling. That means wrestling was their favorite sport. Kashaba Jadhav's father was a wrestler himself. His name was Dada Sahib. Now, Dada Sahib had 5 sons. The youngest of them was Kashaba Jadhav. Dada Sahib himself taught all the sons wrestling, and all the sons were very good. But the youngest of all, that is Kashaba Jadhav, was the youngest of all, and he was the best in wrestling. From an early age, Kashaba loved to watch wrestling bouts. His father took him to see the bouts from the time he was just 4 years old. He would sit on his father's shoulder and watch the bouts. At 10, he was the youngest to get into the akhada. Soon it became clear that he was also the best not only in his own akhada but in the whole area. Explanation. Kashaba loved to watch wrestling bouts. Meaning of bouts, a short period of any intense activity. Kashaba would sit on his father's shoulder and watch the wrestling when he was just 4 years old. At the age of 10, he was the youngest wrestler to enter into the akhada. Meaning of akhada, gymnastic or gymnasium or gymnasium. That is wrestling. To prove that he was the best, he used to go to the competitions as well, and it proved that he was not only good at his own home's akhada but also in the whole area as well. Kashaba loved other sports too. He was fond of kabaddi, mulkhamb, running, swimming and gymnastics. He took part in all of this. He became strong and agile. He loved to discuss sports with his friends. Explanation: Kashaba loved other sports also, for example kabaddi, mulkhamb, running, swimming, gymnastics, etc. He participated in all the sports activity. He was a true sports person. He was a true sports person in all means. He became strong and agile. Meaning of agile: to move quickly and easily. His body was very flexible. He discussed regarding sports with his friends. He went to Rajaram College in Kolhapur where wrestling was encouraged. Kashaba took part in many wrestling bouts and won them all. In that area, he was the champion. Therefore, he was sent to wrestle at the state level and national level. Kashaba Jadhav became famous at the national level too. He beat the national champion Niranjan Das in 1948. That is why it was decided to send him to the International Olympic Games. Explanation: Kashaba studied at Rajaram College in Kolhapur, where wrestling was liked by all. Kashaba took part in many wrestling competitions and won them all. Even in Kolhapur, Kashaba was a wrestling champion. So, the college principal and all the teachers sent Kashaba Jadhav to state level and national level wrestling competition. Kashaba Jadhav was famous at national level also, because he was a champion. He defeated the national champion Niranjan Das in the year 1948. That is why you can say how in this way he entered the International Olympic Games. When Kashaba Jadhav took part in the Olympic Games for the first time, he found that the Indian and international rules were different. Also, he was used to wrestling in an earthen pit. At the Olympic Games, the boats were held on a mat. In spite of these differences, Kashaba Jadhav won a 6th place out of 42. The Olympic Games are held every 4 years. In 1952, Kashaba wished to take part in the Olympics again, but it was not an easy task. He had to prove his merit again and face the opposition of officials. Explanation: when Kashaba took part in Olympic Games for the first time, he realized that the Indian and international rules of playing a wrestling was different. He was very used to, or he had experienced doing wrestling on a muddy puddle or on an earthen pit, but at Olympics the wrestling match was held on a mat, so it was a bit difficult for Kashaba to do the match on the mat. But still, because of these differences also, Kashaba won the 6th place out of 42 plays. Olympic Games are held every 4 years. So once an incident occurred. In 1952, Kashaba was willing to take part in Olympics. It was not an easy task for him to take part in the Olympics. Why? Because he has to pass his fitness test and prove his merit again. That means he has to prove that he is ready for the match. He is ready to go to the Olympics, and he was eligible to play for India. He was eligible to represent India to officials. Officials means authorities. Also, in those days, Olympic participants had to spend their own money for traveling to and staying in the place where the games were held. It was very expensive. Kashaba did not have that much money and did not get any money from the government. At last, the principal of Rajaram College gave his own house to get the money. Other people in Kashaba's village also helped. The 1952 Olympics were held at Helsinki. There, Kashaba Jadhav had to face opponents from Russia and the Gulf countries. He won the first 5 boats quite easily. He won each boat within 5 minutes. Explanation: in olden days, Olympic participants has to spend their own money for travelling and expense. It was very expensive. As you know, Kashaba was from a poor family. He did not have that much money, and the Indian government did not give him any help or any kind of facility. Finally, who helped him to reach Olympics? It was the principal of Rajaram College who sold his own house and gave the money to Kashaba. Other than the principal, the villagers also helped Kashaba to reach Olympics. Once an incident occurred. In 1952, Olympics was held in Helsinki. Kashaba's opponents were from Russia and from the Gulf countries. Kashaba won the first 5 meaning of boards matches. First 5 matches quite easily within 5 minutes of time. Then he had to face a wrestler from Japan. They were both well matched. The bout lasted for 15 minutes. Kashaba lost the match by just 1 point. He was exhausted after the bout, but he was asked to wrestle with a Soviet wrestler immediately. This was against the rule. According to the rules, Kashaba should have rested for at least half an hour before the second bout. Kashaba lost in the bout with the Soviet wrestler. Still, he had won a bronze medal by finishing third. Explanation: Kashaba had a match with a wrestler from Japan. The match lasted for 15 minutes because both the opponents or both the participants were strong enough to defeat each other. The match lasted for 15 minutes. Finally, Kashaba lost the match by just 1 point, or you can say by just 1 mark. He was tired. As per the wrestling rules, a wrestler has to rest for half an hour before going to the second round. But the authorities were playing against the rule. They asked Kashaba to wrestle with a Soviet wrestler again. Kashaba lost the match in the second round. So back to back he lost 2 rounds. At last, in the third round, he beat the Soviet wrestler and scored bronze medal for India. When Kashaba returned from Helsinki, many people honored him, respected him. The people in his village gave him a grand welcome. A procession of 151 bullock carts waited for him in his home village of Goleshwar. The villagers carried their hero home to the sound of dhols. Kashaba did not forget those who helped him. After winning the Olympic medal, he played the first boat to raise money, not for himself, but for the principal who had given his house for sending Kashaba to Helsinki. The principal got his house back. Explanation is here. After receiving bronze medal from Olympics, he returned home. Villagers welcomed him. A procession of 151 bullock carts were waiting for their arrival. Procession means grand celebration at his home village of Goleshwar. The villagers welcomed him with dhols. Dhol is an instrument. He did not forget those who helped him. He gave money which he got from the wrestling to the principal. Principal got his home back again. Kashaba won great honor for his country even when he did not have much help or facilities. Today, sportsmen have many facilities. Shouldn't we all try our best to win great honors for our motherland? Explanation: Kashaba got lot of respect because he has done so many good things for our country. He won lot of medals for India, representing India at the Olympic Games. So here a question is asked, even we should try hard, even you should work hard for our motherland. New words: first one athletics, second one boat, third one gymnasium or gymnasium, fourth one agile, fifth one encouraged, sixth one pit, seventh one merit, eighth one official, ninth one facilities, 10th one participant, 11th one expensive. Meanings: facilities, buildings; expensive, costing a lot of money; encouraged, to be supported; boat, match; agile, able to move easily and quickly. Answer in one sentence: who takes part in Olympic Games? Sportsmen from many different countries of the world take part in the Olympic Games. What medals are given in the Olympics? Gold, silver and bronze medal are given in the Olympics. Where was Kashaba Jadhav born? Kashaba Jadhav was born in a village called Goleshwar in Satara district in Maharashtra. What sports did Kashaba like? Kashaba liked wrestling, mulkamb, running, swimming and gymnasium. Whom did Kashaba beat in wrestling and in which year? Kashaba beat the national champion Niranjan Das in 1948. How many boards did Kashaba Jadhav win at Helsinki? Kashaba Jadhav won 5 boards at Helsinki. Did the principal get his house back again? Yes, the principal got his house back again. True or false? Kashaba won the bout against a Soviet wrestler? False. Kashaba had many facilities for sports? False. Kashaba's bout with the wrestler from Japan lasted for 15 minutes? True. People were angry with Kashaba when he returned from Helsinki? False. Name the following: a person who swims, swimmer; a person who boxes, boxer; a person wrestles, wrestler; a person runs, runner; a person who dives, diver; a person who plays, player. Write the opposites: loved, hated, best, worst, youngest, oldest, strong, weak.